Hello and welcome to Ideas and Trends. Today we are going to show you different ideas and trends for Christmas decoration. Christmas is just around the corner, and if you are looking for the latest decoration ideas and trends for this year, you are in the perfect place. In this video, I will take you through the freshest style, hottest colors, and coolest decorating concepts that are trending in Christmas 2025. Whether you love bold look, cozy vibes, DIY crafts, or modern tech-infused displays, I have got ideas for you. Let's dive in. Number 1. Bold Maximalist Christmas decor. Go big or go home. This year, Christmas isn't about minimalism, it's about making a statement. Maximalist decor is trending everywhere with oversized ornaments, dramatic ribbons, lush garlands, and abundant layers of festive elements. Think big bows, chunky ornaments, layered greenery, and eye-catching details that fill your space with joy and nostalgia. Designers are calling it a return to bold holiday exuberance, inspired by classic nostalgic looks with extra sparkle. Number 2. Trendy color schemes beyond traditional red and green. 2025 Christmas trends are moving past just red and green. Some of the color palettes gaining huge attention include moody jewel tones like emerald green, sapphire blue, deep plum, and burgundy. Warm neutrals and cozy shades like cream, soft taupe, and champagne gold. Pastel fantasy themes with blush pink, mint, and baby blue, perfect for whimsical sets. Unexpected combinations like warm chocolate brown or nature-inspired forest hues. Number 3. Nature-inspired and organic decorations. A big 2025 trend is bringing the outdoors in natural materials like pine cones, dried wood, eucalyptus, olive branches, wood, and wickets are everywhere. These earthy elements add texture, warmth, and sense of coziness, perfect for modern rustic or cozy holiday themes. Number 4. Personalized and sentimental ornaments. This season is all about personal memories and meaningful decor. Customized ornaments like family name bubbles, engraved tags, photo keepsake, and hand-painted pieces are incredibly popular. These not only decor your tree but also tell a story about your family and moments from the year. Number 5. Tech-enhanced Christmas decorations. 2025 introduces smart holiday decor ideas where technology meets traditions, from app-controlled smart LED lights to motion-activated light displays and even solar-powered outdoor accents. Tech makes decorating easy and more magical. Number 6. DIY and handmade holiday crafts. DIY decor is huge this year. Felt ornaments, handcrafted garlands, paper stars, salt dough ornaments, and handcrafted wreaths are trending, especially from Gen Z and millennial. These add personality to your decor and can even become memorable gifts. Number 7. Outdoor displays and lighting trends. After Christmas, decorating is gaining major energy this year with warm white and soft golden lights for a cozy glow, oversized characters, and whimsical outdoor figures like big snowman and Santa setups, layered lighting, and multi-piece scenes that tell a festive story around your path or yard. Number 8. Nostalgic and vintage revival. While new trends flourish, nostalgia remains a core theme in 2025. Vintage ornaments, heirloom light, old world charm, and nostalgia-inspired holiday symbols are rising in popularity, combining classic comfort with today's decor innovation. Luke, metallic, and woodland themes. Want a classy or elegant theme? Metallic accent, bronze, rose gold, champagne gold, and reflective chrome are trending for a luxurious Christmas vibe. At the same time, woodland themes with owls, deer, and forest motifs brings rustic charm and magical storytelling. And that's a wrap on the top Christmas decoration ideas and trends for 2025. Whether you have love bold maximalistic styles, cozy nature-inspired decor, sentimental ornaments, or tech-smart holiday lights, there are something for every style and space this year. Which trend are you excited to try? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit for more festive decorating inspiration. See you in the next video. Happy decorating!